Hey, makeup lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for anyone looking to create that perfect cat eye or bold eyeliner look, marker eyeliners. Known for their precision and easy application, marker eyeliners are a game-changer, whether you're a pro or just starting out. Today, I'll be breaking down my top 5 picks for the best marker eyeliners that deliver on pigmentation, durability, and, of course, ease of use. Let's get right into it. So let's get started. At number 1 position, we have Maybelline Eyeliner. Starting off at number 1, we have the Maybelline Marker Eyeliner. Maybelline has consistently produced high-quality, budget-friendly products, and their marker eyeliner is no exception. This is a popular choice for good reason. It's easy to use, and it gives a beautiful finish without costing a fortune. What I love about it, the Maybelline Marker Eyeliner has an ultra-fine tip that makes it easy to control, so you can create anything from thin, natural lines to bold, dramatic wings. The formula is smudge-proof and lasts through the day, which is essential if you're wearing it to work or for a night out. Plus, the deep black pigment doesn't fade, so your eyeliner looks fresh all day. What could be better? While it's long-lasting, it's not waterproof, so if you have oily lids or will be exposed to humidity, it might require a touch-up. Also, it can dry out faster than some other liners, so be sure to cap it tightly after each use. Who this is best for? Perfect for anyone who wants a reliable, everyday marker eyeliner that's easy to control and has great staying power. Ideal for beginners and pros alike. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Physicians Formula Marker Eyeliner. Next up, we have the Physicians Formula Marker Eyeliner. Known for their sensitive skin-friendly products, Physicians Formula is a go-to for anyone with sensitive eyes or allergies, and their marker eyeliner lives up to that reputation. What I love about it, this eyeliner has a soft, flexible tip that glides on effortlessly, making it a great option for people who may struggle with precise application. The formula is dermatologically tested and hypoallergenic, so it's safe for those with sensitive eyes. The pigmentation is rich, providing an intense black line that holds up well throughout the day. What could be better? While the formula is gentle, it's not as smudge-resistant as others on this list. So, if you're wearing it for a long day or in warm weather, you may notice a bit of fading or smudging by the end of the day. Who this is best for? Ideal for those with sensitive skin or eyes who need a reliable marker eyeliner that won't irritate. If you're looking for comfort and ease, this is a great pick. The number 3 position is held by NYX Professional Makeup Marker Eyeliner. Coming in at number 3 is the NYX Professional Makeup Marker Eyeliner. NYX is known for high-performance products at an affordable price, and their marker eyeliner is no different. This one is all about intense color and lasting power. What I love about it, this NYX liner has a super fine tip that's perfect for creating precise lines. The pigment is extremely bold and black, giving a striking finish that won't fade throughout the day. It's also waterproof and smudge-resistant, which is ideal if you want something long-lasting. Plus, it's cruelty-free, so it's a great option for ethical makeup enthusiasts. What could be better? The formula is a bit on the dry side, so if you like going over your lines multiple times, it might skip a little. Also, it can take a moment to dry fully, so make sure to give it a few seconds before blinking to avoid transfer. Who this is best for? Perfect for anyone looking for a bold, long-wear marker eyeliner that can withstand a long day or night. If you love intense pigment and don't mind waiting a second for it to dry, this one's for you. Next at number 4, we have Wet n Wild Marker Eyeliner. At number 4, we have the Wet n Wild Marker Eyeliner. If you're looking for a super affordable option that still gets the job done, Wet n Wild has you covered. This eyeliner is a fantastic choice for beginners or anyone on a budget. What I love about it, this liner is very user-friendly and offers good pigmentation for the price. The felt tip is firm but not too stiff, making it easy to draw precise lines or fill in a bolder look. It also dries down quickly, so you don't have to worry about smudging or transferring after application. What could be better? the staying power isn't as strong as the higher-end options on this list. It's best suited for shorter wear times, as it might start to fade or smudge after several hours, especially if you have oily skin. Who this is best for: a great pick for anyone who's new to liquid liner or just needs an everyday option on a budget. It's perfect for quick, easy looks that don't require all-day wear. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Mirabella Marker Eyeliner. Finally, rounding out our list is the Mirabella Marker Eyeliner. This is a lesser-known brand, but it's loved by makeup artists for its quality and precision. If you're after a more luxurious feel, Mirabella is worth a try. What I love about it: this eyeliner has a beautifully fine, soft tip that glides smoothly over the lid, allowing for precise, even application. The formula is ultra-pigmented, providing a rich black color that lasts. It's also smudge-proof and long-wearing, so you won't need to worry about touch-ups throughout the day. The packaging feels high-end, which is a nice bonus. What could be better? Mirabella is on the pricier side, so it may not be the best choice if you're looking for a budget option. Additionally, the liner's fine tip means it can be more delicate and prone to drying out if not stored properly. Who this is best for: if you're willing to invest a little more for a high-quality product, this is a fantastic pick. Perfect for makeup enthusiasts who love a precise line and don't mind splurging a bit for a premium feel. And that's my top 5 marker eyeliners. From the budget-friendly Wet n Wild to the luxurious Mirabella, there's a marker liner here for every style and budget. Whether you're after a smudge-proof, long-lasting liner or something soft and gentle for sensitive eyes, these picks have you covered. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more honest beauty reviews. Let me know in the comments which marker eyeliner you're most excited to try, or if you have a favorite that I didn't mention. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.